Okay, so you have ordered something online or to be delivered by the post, and it's arrived and it's damaged on arrival. What do you do and what are your rights? It's pretty straightforward. You've got the Consumer Rights Act 2015, which gives you a lot of rights. Now then, this I ordered off eBay and it arrived the other day, and as you can see, hopefully by there's a tear. It's got the packaging is damaged, but you can see this is actually a t-shirt, and you can see, well, hopefully through there, the actual t-shirt itself is torn, it's damaged, so I don't even have to open it. It's the item inside is damaged. So it's the seller. Actually got this off eBay, but it doesn't matter where you bought it from. It's the seller's responsibility to make sure what you buy, you being the buyer, what you buy is delivered in as described and not damaged, basically. And if it does arrive damaged, it's the seller's responsibility to put things right. Now then, with eBay, they do have their money back guarantee and what have you, but it doesn't just, narrow it down to eBay. It's in general, you are covered by the Consumer Protection Act. Firstly, contact the seller. That's the first thing you need to do. As soon as you realise there's something wrong, contact the seller, tell them, like in this case, you've received the item and it's damaged, and you have a few choices. They can either offer you a discount, say if it's a minor scratch on something or something, they can offer you a discount and you keep the item. You can send the item back for a replacement, or you can send the item back for a refund, or if the seller doesn't want the item back, you are entitled to a full refund, including the cost you paid for postage and packing for it to be sent to you. Now then, if the seller wants the item back, they have to pay for postage or carriage or what have you, courier, whatever, to have it returned to them. It's not up to you. If you've received it and it's, like in this case, it's damaged, you don't have to pay to send that item back. It's the seller. If they want it back, they have to pay for the cost to get it returned to them. And if you say that you want a replacement, they have to send you the replacement, and they cover the cost again of sending the new replacement back to you. So it is fairly straightforward. Like I say, eBay are usually good, pretty good, but like I say, it doesn't matter, if you've just where you're other than eBay, for instance, distance selling, you have a lot of rights. If you send off for something and you receive it and it's in perfect condition as listed, as described, but you change your mind, you think, oh no, I don't fancy it now, then things change. If you want to send it back, you will then have to pay the postage, the courier or whatever. You will have to pay the postage to send it back. But as I said earlier, if you receive something that's been damaged through delivery, then you do not, it's the seller's responsibility to make sure that that item reaches you in the way it's described, and then, you know, not damaged, shall we say. And if you want, you know, obviously you want to send it back, they have to cover all postage costs and what have you. And as I say, you are entitled to a refund, a replacement. So you have choices what you want to do. So I hope that helps.